guys, welcome to the Survey Ape Channel. In this episode, we'll share a tutorial one of Survey Ape's features, the Simple Structures tool. The Simple Structure function is relatively straightforward. Acting as a small calculation tool within the software, it can be used to calculate the corner coordinates of structures such as basements, coordinates, and piers. There are generally two construction methods for structures: parallel with road and vertical middle. The difference that in the parallel with road method, the left fore, left back, right fore, and right back is are parallel to the longitudinal axis, while in the vertical middle method, the edges are perpendicular to the longitudinal axis. Refer to the diagram below for details. Let me demonstrate how these features works. The interface includes several input fields. First is the station. The center station of the structure, which is the stake number at the intersection of the structure axis and the track line. Angle. The clockwise rotation angle between the structure axis and the track center line. In the direction of the station increase, input format is dt.mmss. For example, to input 15 degrees 10 minutes 20 seconds, enter 15.1020. Middle line offset. The offset value to the tunnel runway center line relative to the design line of the truck. It is usually left blank by default. Left disc, right disc, forward disc, back disc. Parameters that define the dimensions of the structure. Left disc and right disc are the distance from the intersection of the truck center line and the structure axis to the east. Forward disc and back disc are the perpendicular distance from the corner points to the structure axis. After entering the parameters, click Calculate. The software will automatically compute the design coordinates for the 4 corner points. If staking is required, click Batch Staking the bottom right. The software will automatically enter the null point staking interface. The middle section of the software will display the position of the corner points to be staked. You can select the corner points for staking directly on the graphic or use the premise point and the next point buttons to switch between staking points. For detailed instructions on the staking process, please refer to tutorial on null point staking. For more tutorials on using software and sharing surveying content, stay tuned to the Survey Ape channel. Follow us and see you next time!